Universal is one of the largest mobile phone retail chains in South India. With more than 10 million customers and 400 outlets, Universal was looking for a lighting partner which can provide energy-efficient lighting. This case study showcases how effective planning and teamwork between Philips Lighting, Philips Channel Partner and Universal resulted in exceptional results for the customer.
Universal is a mobile retail chain and this is around 17 years old. We are as old as the mobile phones in the country. Lighting is very important according to me in retail. If the store is well lit and it gives an impression of a clean store, then customers are like to come in, it's inviting. So light plays an important role in my retailing. Before going with Philips, we were fixing up too many lights. We are picking up from local stores wherever we can, whatever lights we used to have it. Philips team suggested what should be the lux per square feet we need to have, and they suggested by working very closely with me, by observing what is happening in my current store. They recommended the right combination. They did the architect of my store in terms of lighting, and we today have over 50 plus stores. We are working along with Philips team. We are using the Philips product. I can see the light is not hard. It's very soft today and it is looking pleasant from outside. Customers are also feeling pleasant. I see from wherever we have changed to Philips store, customers are spending a little bit more time than what is happening in other stores.
We had approached them regarding lighting, showing them how conventional LED can be changed and what kind of energy saving we could do. They gave us a pilot store here and where we had a chance to showcase what can we do. So our people had come here with Philips, evaluated and given a presentation to Universal and their bosses. And putting onto papers, it looked dramatic. But once we executed the job at Satyam Theatre, they were totally amazed. We have taken a product called Green LED and replaced the 2x26 with Green LED, which is about 15 watts. So saving was pretty obvious.
Universal has been a great success story for Philips. This is basically because sales team were intent in identifying and analyzing what the customer's perceived requirements are rather than just what their express requirements.
We are quite happy working along with Philips team who had helped us to design the stores with a less number of lights, but the light is very high and we are able to save on the power consumption. We were able to save on in terms of overall bills. So we are quite happy with this. We today have over 50 plus stores. We are working along with Philips team. We want to work along with the Philips team for the next more number of stores, whatever we're opening up. And also for the old stores, we are also changing all the lights as per the design suggested by Philips.